This Ferrari F40 was once forgotten, left to fade away in silence. Years of dust hide a legend beneath. Time leaves its mark on even the most iconic machines. A door opens, and history breathes again. Inside, neglect tells a quiet story. Every bolt removed is the first step toward revival, carefully lifting away what no longer serves. The steering wheel, where passion once lived. Disassembly begins, slow and deliberate. Beneath the surface, truth is revealed. Stripped down to its raw foundation, washing away years of abandonment. Even small details deserve patience. Dirt gives way to clean metal. Original color begins to return. Clarity restored, one motion at a time. Hidden spaces finally breathe again. The restoration truly begins underneath. Rising slowly, exposing everything. Inspecting what time tried to destroy. Letting chemistry do its quiet work. Handwork brings life back to steel. Rust, the enemy of preservation. Removing decay layer by layer. Stabilizing the past to protect the future. Drying, sealing, preparing. Protection applied with care. The heart of the F40 revealed. Every connection is treated with respect. Fuel lines disconnected cleanly. Twin turbos released from their silence. Placed gently like rare artifacts. The engine opens for the first time in years. Preparation before separation. The heart is lifted free, secured for rebirth. Each component tells a story. End of the beginning. Disassembly reveals precision engineering. Cleaning restores clarity. Surface perfection begins inside. Every rotation is intentional. New life starts with new bearings. Reuniting piston and cylinder. Torque applied exactly as intended. Perfect alignment matters. Polishing brings dignity back to steel. Carbon and oil give way to shine. Careful reassembly restores balance. The engine regains its form. Fresh paint, controlled and even. New bushings pressed into place. Brakes prepared to perform again. Color returns to purpose. The chassis now clean and strong. Sealing every joint. Bodywork refined slowly. A perfectly clean surface. Small corrections, big impact. Smoothing imperfections. Shaping perfection by hand. Light reveals everything. The foundation layer applied. Prepared for color. Mixing the soul of the car. The first coat awakens it. Depth builds with patience. Clear coat seals the vision. Time allows the paint to settle. Preparing for refinement. Smoothing toward perfection. Polish brings clarity. Reflections return. The transformation is nearly complete. Final assembly, detailing, and cinematic reveal. Reuniting heart and body. Lowered gently into place. Secured with precision. Turbos return to their home. Airflow restored. Fuel returns to the system. Wiring arranged with discipline. Exhaust aligned perfectly. Suspension rebuilt for balance. Braking power restored. Wheels mounted carefully. Final torque exact. Back on the ground. Comfort returns to the cabin. Surfaces renewed. Seats return home. Fastened securely. Control restored. Final interior touch. glass polished clear. Badges reinstalled with pride. Carbon fiber sealed. Tires dressed, understated. The engine bay flawless. Paint protected. Depth and clarity achieved. The key returns. A quiet turn. The legend awakens. Smooth, controlled, alive. Revealed under studio light. Every line perfected. Pure silhouette. Function meets beauty. Interior glow. A slow final rotation. From abandoned to eternal.